Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the time. Now I want to present my paper with the title is Welding Quality Analysis based on defect class using design of experiment method. My name is Anisiti Nurhayati STMT. I'm from Mechanical Engineering Department in Universitas Muhammadiyah Kalimantan Timur in Samarinda. uh, why why we conduct this experiment? Because welding is a manufacturing process usually used to join the metal parts together. Now, all manufacturing process use welding to build some part or another. Welding automation from various variable conditions that arise can be carried out by experimental experiment using the Taguchi method. So, uh, in the result of welding, some we have we has a defect from a welding result. So, in this experiment, we conduct this analysis to know how uh, how the defect is real. So we use the Takuchi method. The Takuchi method was discovered by R. Fish in England in 19. Fisher want to know how much rain, sunshine, fertilizer, and water yield the best harvest. So in this study, uh, the main objective on the experiment is to determine the quality of the weld, to find out what factor affect the quality of the welding result, to identify the main factors that have a significant effect on the best quality. In each step of welding, there are many types of electrodes used. Welding in this experiment was carried out using the SMAW. Welding is carried out using an electrode wire wrapped in flux. Then, so we hope with this experiment, the welding engineer can know what is the factor that affect the welding result. The method that we use in this experiment is the first one is planning before design. Before carrying out the experiment, we carried out several steps. The first is plan, the second one is design, and the third is conduct experiment. Then uh, we set the limitation and objective. In this experiment, we can discuss about how the parameters can affect the weld quality and how to reduce the variation in the variable that affects on it. The problems in this experiment are weld defect criteria, conducting experiment based on L8 and L4 standard array, and analysis result using ANOVA and confirmation experiment. And second one, in general, the aim of design experiment are determine the input variables or factors that influence the response. Determine the input variables that makes a response approaching the desired value. Determine the input variables that cause small variation in the response. And the third is the main purpose of this experiment. The main purpose in this experiment is are we have three main purpose. There are to determine the best quality for welding result, to determine what factors that affect the welding quality, to identify the main factor with influential significantly to the best welding quality. So we want to know what is the effect, what is the factors that can influence or affect the welding quality. So if we know the what is the best factor, we can have the best welding quality. The third method is DOE or integrity method. Design of experiment, or DOE, is among the many techniques used in the practice of quality improvement. In so this DOE is best a statically technique, studies effects of multiple variables simultaneously and determine the factor combination for optimum result. DOE is an experimental strategy in which effects of multiple factors are studied simultaneously by running tests at various levels of factor. What levels should we take, how to combine them, and how many experiments should we run are subject of discussion in DOE. So we use DOE for running the experiment. We have some sample to know what factors that can affect the best quality of welding. And the last is ANOVA, or analysis of variance. We use ANOVA offers the following statistics are relative influence of factor and interaction. Uh, we uh, we know that ANOVA is a statistic technique. With ANOVA, we can know relative influence of factor and interaction. The second, we can know a level of confidence on the estimated performance at optimum condition and when effects. And the last is significance of factor and interaction influence. This is the control and noise factor that we use in this experiment. In the UE, the technique set two factors, control factors and noise factors. For control factors, we have five factor and we set two level in each factor. We have factor A is electrode, factor B is ampere, factor C is watt method, factor D is plate thickness, and factor E is welding speed. In each factor, we set level 1 and level 2. For example, for electrode, we have in level 1 is RB 28 and level 2 is RD 460. And the second one for factor ampere in level 1 we have 40 ampere and level 2 we have 20 ampere and extra. For noise factor we have three factors X, Y, Z and two level for each factor. For example, for factor X is welding skill with level 1 professional and level 2 unprofessional, and factor 2 workpiece cleanliness. For level 1 is clean and for level 2 is unclean for the object. And the last is distance or objects. In level 1 is 0 millimeter and level 2 is 2 millimeter. This is the criteria of welding result. We have seven welding criteria is the weld defect. Uh, in welding criteria, if the result is no crack, so the welding is good. And if any crack in the object, then the welding result is any defect. For example, in criteria 1, we use 0 millimeter. That means it's no crack. And if if any crack in object more than 0, so that object is cracked or is defect. For the other example is spatter. In the criteria, if the welding is good, the spatter should not be excessive and can be clean. Then if the in the object any spatter, then or over spatter any many spatter, so the object is has a defect. In our experiment, we use the category is smaller is better. So the percentage of defect class, if they are in if they have a result in smaller, so the defect class is minimum. So we use a smaller is better criteria. This is the result and analysis. In this experiment, we use L8 for orthogonal array for inner array or control vectors, and L4 for outer array or noise vectors. This is the trial that we conduct. We conduct eight sample with 4 replication for each sample. So we have 32 sample for total. In each sample of each trial, we have a combination based on inner array or orthogonal array from Taguchi method. The result, we can see that vector B is the large vector B is the large result for SS, and vector A combination C is the minimum value. This is the mean effect for control vector. This is to know the rank of what is vector that affect the welding result. The first is A combination D, and the height is A combination C. This is the graphic. We can see that the graphic is the average is in between 0.50 and 0.60. This is the result. From 32 sample, only sample 7.4 that have the best quality weld result. This is the defect in object. We can see that this any main spatter or this result, we use a spot check to know that in object any defect or not. This is based on calculation. So we conduct the confirmation experiment. The confirmation experiment is to know the validity for our calculation. This is the confirmation experiment for sample 7. This is the confidence interval value. So the confidence interval value, based on confidence interval, we have 95% confidence level. The mean of confirmation experiment is inside the confidence interval. It means the significant factors as well as the appropriate levels for obtaining the desired result were properly chosen. So the experiment is valid. This is the conclusion. The conclusion is based on the assessment of welding result with the form of welding defects criteria. Experiment trial 7 is the best welding result with an average value of 0.22. The result with the most welding defects were in the trial number 2 with an average value of 0.64. The welding defects are holes, furrows, overspatters, and pinholes, and there are even workpieces that do not connect or crack. Welding results with good quality are following a good combination of factors and are following the result of the ANOVA calculation and the mean effects factor. Factors that affect the quality of welds in sequence are plate thickness, welding ampere, electrodes, and welding method. Meanwhile, the welding speed factor is a factor that significantly does not affect the quality of the weld. So, the conclusion we have that the Based on ANOVA calculation, the combination of factor A, combination D, or electrode X plate tightness is the factors that can affect the welding quality. The second is factor D1 is level 1 plate thickness with with 4 millimeter. And the last is the combination of factor A combination C or electrode X welding method. And the electrode X welding method is no don't have effects for a welding quality. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.